So set 1, they will be in no particular order. I will say the sound afterwards just to make sure that you are completely happy with it. Are we ready? Set 1, here we go. Z. L. B. D. T. W. V. Y. N. And last but not least, okay, so this is the sound where you bite your lip. Well done, set 1 done. Are we ready for set 2? Now I just have to find them. Okay, in no particular order. Maybe a particular order. Alrighty, number 1. Shh. Just drop them all over the floor. Next one. So this one sounds a little bit like a f, but you do something different with your mouth. So instead of biting your lip, you bite your tongue. And stick it out a bit. Okay. Next one is a one I really hate to sound out, but we're going to try. Just say what you see. Nk, nk. Everybody? Nk, nk. Okay. The rat in the cage says, I think I stink. Not Miss Telford, the rat. I think I stink. Nk. Very similar to that one. Say what you see. Ng, ng. The cat jumps when he sees a thing on a string. Stretchy sound. Ng, ng. Thing, string, sing, wing. Okay, this by itself makes the same sound as when it's a digraph. Qua, qua. The queen carries her umbrella wherever she goes. Qua, qua, queen, qua, qua, queen. Next. Okay, the horse sneezes when the caterpillar tickles his nose. Next one. We've done this one, but we're going to do it again. Bite your tongue, stick it out. Okay, moving on to the next set. Some of you may not have done these yet, but it's worth having a look at anyway. Okay, next set. Okay, let's see if anyone can remember these ones. A, may I play? A, may I play? A. E, what can you see? E, E, E. E, what can you see? I, fly high, fly high. Oh, 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 blow the snow. Oh, blow the snow. Ooh, ooh. This is everyone's favourite in my class, so let's hear you say it. Ooh, poo at the zoo. Ooh, poo at the zoo. Literally, poo at the zoo. Ooh. Next one looks very similar to ooh. In fact, it is. The only difference is you can see these little eyes on the top because this ooh sound is actually an sound. Okay? Look at the book. Well, sounds harsh in my accent. Look at the book. Or look at the book. It's an sound. Look at the book. Well done, guys. So just a few more videos for you to get through. You'll be sick to death of seeing my face, and I'm sure you'll be sick to death of Mrs. Hall's and Mr. Stirks as well when we set these up. But good luck. We will see you soon. We miss you loads. Speak soon.